Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something you'll use every single day in the US. Greetings. How Americans say hello, how they ask how are you, what to say at work, on the phone, with friends, even texting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say and what people actually mean when they say it. Let's get into it. Let's start simple. In the US, you'll hear three main greeting words. Hello is a little formal, used with strangers or in professional settings. Hi is the most common, neutral, and works almost anywhere. Hey is casual, used with friends, coworkers you know well, or people your own age. Here's the thing a lot of learners don't realize. Americans greet people constantly, even strangers. Walking past someone on a hiking trail, you might get a hi or a nod. Passing a coworker in the hallway, hey, how's it going? It doesn't always mean they want a conversation. It's just politeness. Now, here's the one that confuses almost everyone. How are you? In most cultures, this is a real question. In the US, it's usually not. It's a greeting, not a request for your life story. Picture two people passing on a sidewalk. One says, hey, how are you? The other says, good, how are you? And the first just says, good, good. Neither person actually answered, and that's completely normal. The expected response is short and positive. Good, I'm good, thanks. Not bad, or can't complain. You don't need to explain your actual day unless you know the person well and they're clearly asking for real. Once you're talking to friends or people you know well, greetings get more relaxed. You'll hear things like, what's up? What's going on? How's it going? A simple yo, which is very casual and common among younger people. Or long time no see for someone you haven't seen in a while. Imagine two friends meeting at a coffee shop. One says, yo, what's up, man? The other replies, not much, just grabbing coffee. You? And the first says, same. Hey, long time no see. The other laughs and says, I know, right? We gotta catch up.
Notice that what's up doesn't always mean tell me what's happening. A lot of the time, the answer is just not much or nothing much, even if plenty is actually going on. Work is a little different, a bit more polished. Common ones here are good morning, good afternoon, nice to meet you when it's the first time meeting someone, nice to see you again for someone you've met before, and how's your day going? Picture an office meeting with a handshake. One coworker says, good morning, nice to meet you, I'm Sarah. The other replies, nice to meet you too, Sarah, I'm David. Sarah continues, how's your day going so far? And David says, pretty good, thanks. Yours? A firm handshake and eye contact usually go along with these in professional settings. That's a big part of American greeting culture, especially in business. Greetings change again on the phone and in texting. On the phone, people usually answer with just hello or hey, this is, followed by their name. If you're calling someone you know, you might just say their name. In texting, greetings are shorter and more casual. Things like, hey, hi, how's it going? Or, yo, you free later? Emojis often replace words entirely. A simple wave emoji or hey with a smiley face is completely normal.
One more thing, greetings can vary by region. In the South, you'll often hear, hey y'all, or how y'all doing? Friendly and warm, even with strangers. In big cities like New York, greetings tend to be quicker and more to the point. In the Midwest, people are known for being extra friendly. Lots of small talk, waving at neighbors, that kind of thing. Some communities greet with a hug or a fist bump instead of a handshake, depending on how close you are with the person. Okay, let's recap everything fast. Hi, hello, and hey go from more formal to less formal. How are you is usually just a greeting. Answer briefly and positively. With friends, use what's up, how's it going, or yo. At work, keep it polished. Good morning, nice to meet you, handshakes. Phone and text greetings are shorter and more casual. And greetings can change by region, so don't be surprised by extra friendliness in some places. That's it for today's video on American greetings. If this helped you, Drop a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments, what's a greeting from your country that Americans might find surprising? I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.